In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conditional logic quiz in Tally and publish it. Start by opening tally.so and logging into your account. From your dashboard, click New Form. Tally lets you move quickly, so if you want to begin from a blank canvas, simply press Enter to start a form from scratch. You can also click Use a Template if you prefer a head start, but for this walkthrough, we'll build from scratch so you see every option available. Give your form a clear, descriptive title. This is what your audience will see first, so make it specific to the topic of your quiz or lead magnet. Now inside the editor, you can add content anywhere. Type a / to open the block menu. This is where you choose your building blocks, like short answer, long answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, and dropdown. Pick the question type that fits what you're asking. For example, multiple choice is great for branching quizzes, while short answers are perfect for quick, open responses. Type your question, and if you chose a selection-based type, add the answer choices. Keep answers concise and mutually exclusive to reduce confusion. If you want the quiz to adapt to each user, add conditional logic. Hover over your question, click the three-dot icon next to it, and select Conditional Logic. Here you can set rules like if the user picks this answer, then, and route them accordingly. To create true branching paths, look for the option labeled Jump to Block. Apply this to each relevant answer so respondents go directly to the next question that makes sense for them. This keeps the experience personalized and avoids showing irrelevant questions. Once your quiz content is complete, add an email block after the last question to collect the user's email. Mark it as required so you can deliver your lead magnet and follow up reliably. Next, open Settings and go to Notifications. Turn on notifications so you'll receive an alert whenever someone submits the form. This is useful for tracking performance and responding promptly. Before you go live, click Preview. Walk through the quiz like a participant would. Test different answer paths to confirm your conditional logic works, make sure the email field is required, and verify that users can complete the quiz and receive the promised lead magnet. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your quiz is now live and ready for your audience.